Hi friends, in this competitive world, which AI tools that we need to learn? We are gonna focus on that in this video. Before that, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel. Please do like our videos. Please express your opinions in the comment section. So guys, there are numerous AI tools available, but we focus on really important AI tools that can be useful for the purpose of learning and career growth. First one, Tensorflow. This is an open source machine learning framework developed by Google. It provides a comprehensive ecosystem of tools, libraries, and resources for building and deploying machine learning models. Tensorflow offers extensive documentation and tutorials, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Tensorflow is widely used by researchers, data scientists, and developers for various machine learning and deep learning applications. Tensorflow provides a flexible and powerful framework for building and training models, supporting a wide range of tasks including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, and many other functionalities are available in Tensorflow. PyTorch. This is another widely used open source machine learning framework. It is known for its dynamic computational graph and provides a Python-friendly interface for building and training neural networks. PyTorch has a vast community and offers extensive learning resources, including tutorials, and many examples are available. PyTorch supports distributed training, enabling users to train models across multiple machines or GPUs. So this feature allows for efficient training of large-scale models and faster experimentation. PyTorch has features like dynamic computation graphs, so allowing for a more flexibility in model development and debugging. The graph is constructed on the fly during the execution of the code, enabling easier model customization and dynamic control flow. Jupyter Notebook. This is an interactive computing environment that allows you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It is a popular tool for data exploration, experimentation, and prototyping in the field of AI. Jupyter Notebook supports multiple programming languages, including Python, which is commonly used in AI. Jupyter Notebook files can be easily shared with others, making it conducive to collaborative work. Notebooks can be exported in various formats, including HTML, PDF, and LaTeX, or shared through platforms like GitHub. Jupyter Notebook has gained significant popularity among data scientists, researchers, and educators due to its interactivity, flexibility, and ability to combine code, visualizations, and explanations in a single document. It provides an efficient environment for iterative development, data exploration, and sharing of scientific findings and insights. Keras. This is a high-level neural networks library that runs on top of TensorFlow or other backends. It provides a user-friendly API for defining and training deep learning models. Keras simplifies the process of building and experimenting with neural networks, making it an excellent tool for learning and prototyping. Keras seamlessly integrates with deep learning frameworks that support GPU acceleration, enabling users to leverage the computational power of GPUs for faster training and inference. Keras has gained popularity for its simplicity, ease of use, I can say, and strong community support. If you have any problem, you will get the help. It is widely used for a range of deep learning tasks, including image classification, object detection, natural language processing, and many other functionalities. Keras also serves as the official high-level API for Tensorflow. This is a key point. So further solidifying its position as a popular choice among deep learning practitioners. OpenAI Gym. It's a toolkit for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms. It provides a wide range of environments and benchmark problems, allowing users to test and evaluate their reinforcement learning agents. OpenAI Gym is an excellent resource for learning and experimenting with reinforcement learning concepts. OpenAI Gym integrates well with other popular machine learning and deep learning libraries such as Tensorflow and PyTorch, just we discussed. So this allows users to combine reinforcement learning with other techniques and frameworks seamlessly. And OpenGym has become a popular choice among researchers and practitioners in the field of reinforcement learning. Its standardized environments, well-defined API, and benchmarking capabilities make it a valuable resource for developing and evaluating reinforcement learning algorithms. Additionally, its active community and supportive ecosystem contribute to its continued growth and adoption. Scikit-learn. This is a popular Python library for machine learning. It provides a wide range of algorithms and utilizes for tasks such as classification, regression, clustering, and dimensionality reduction. Scikit-learn is well documented and offers tutorials and examples, making it a valuable tool for learning machine learning fundamentals. And Scikit-learn seamlessly integrates with NumPy and SciPy, leveraging their array and mathematical functionalities. This integration allows for efficient handling and manipulation of data within Scikit-learn. This is known for its ease of use, extensive documentation, and versatility. It serves as a valuable tool for a wide range of machine learning tasks, from simple to complex, making it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced practitioners in the field. So, friends, these are just a few examples about artificial intelligence tools that I gave in this video. I hope this is helpful for learning purposes and for your career growth. And of course, the choice of tools depends on your specific learning goals and the areas of AI you are interested in and exploring. It's recommended to explore these tools along with the relevant documentation, tutorials, and of course online courses. We are also starting a few courses in YouTube. We will take one subject or topic and we go deeper and deeper in it. We try to bring more new tools and technologies through this channel. So I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe to our channel. Please click like button. Please express your opinions in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.